Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Ikea dishwasher. So the first thing, if you want to cancel the program, what you need to do is that you need to just press and hold the reset button. You're going to find it right here, that it's going to be for the turn on button, and you want to press the reset for 3 seconds. So you're going to press and hold it, and that way you're going to reset the Ikea dishwasher. This is the first thing. The second thing that you can try to do if you want to perform a hard reset, what you need to do is plug it out or turn off the circuit breaker. And when you're going to turn off the circuit breaker, you just have to wait for like 15 minutes, and then you want to turn on the circuit breaker on for the Ikea dishwasher. So first thing, the standard reset is that when you're going to just press and hold the reset button, but then what you can do is just like turn off the circuit breaker, then turn it on after 15 minutes, and in that way you're going to reset the Ikea dishwasher. So thank you very much for watching, and hope you're having a great day, and goodbye.